Good dancing. Say good morning. Alright, mommy help a little bit. Thank you. Okay, into the mouth. That's it. Good job. Yay. Good morning. May bata akong binabantayan dito kasi ang kalat-kalat nito kapag... Alright, come on. Let mommy help. Okay, not helping. Very independent na baby. Yes? Can I get you a smaller spoon? Smaller spoon?
No.
No?
No.
No? Why not? This one? Yes, this one like this. Look. Wow! Alright, you do it. You do it. Gusto niya kasi siya gagawa. Wow! Alright, mommy do it. Here, oh, you do it. Yay! 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 Okay. Oh no. Oh no. It's good that she wants to be independent, but it is a lot of work. Kasi, syempre, there's a lot more mess kapag sila lang kumakain. Since bumalik kami galing Bali, gusto na niya na siya lang mag-feed sa kanya. And kapag yung breakfast niya is yung may milk, she spills the milk, spills the cereal, which is, you know, it's normal. Diba, Di? It is normal. I think I need to buy her the suction bowl. Is it time for Mama to buy you the suction bowl? Maybe I'll check. No? So it's, yeah, so it stays more or bowl? This is bowl. Bowl? Oh, here. Sige na, tapusin mo na. Milk! 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 Good job! You're telling mommy to get milk. 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 Oh, here. Milk. Alright, it's 10:02. Kanina pa kami gising nito. Mga 8 gising na kami. Kasi ang aga na gising ni Dan. Wala si Dan, guys. Umalis na grocery. Kasi punta kami lang ng girls. Punta kami, magyayamcha kami. Kami lang ng girls. Dapat kami sana lahat. And then Dan said, sabi niya, kayo na lang 3 para ma-enjoy mo yung last labas nyo na kayo lang 3, walang mga bata. So sabi niya, enjoy lang, ako lang bahala sa kids. Sabi ko, ay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, come on, so we can get ready. Come on. So Ayla and Arlo is still sleeping. Kasi ang late nga namin natutulog. Okay lang na nagising siya ng maaga kasi mamaya pag alis ko, papatulugin lang to ni Daddy, no? And then she will have a long nap. So while we're gone, you will be sleeping? Is that the plan of my D? Yes! Is that the plan of my D? I love you so much. I love you so much, my D. Alright, come on. 1. Count. 2. 3. Don't wake up Kuya, ha? Kuya's very tired. Yeah? Alright. Take it. Say good morning. Alright. Mommy will change clothes, okay? Why? Ay, punta siya kay tita. Sus. Alright. It's okay. Go. Yeah. What's that? Oh no. Alright, hurry up.
What's wrong? What's wrong? Why are you crying, baby?
Alright, I'm gonna change, okay?
You ain't Tina up? Baby! Come here. Tina!
What are you doing? Oh. Go to Tita Kao. 10:26. We're planning to leave 10:40. So we are good. Maglalagay lang ako ng the usual sunscreen, blush. Yun lang siguro. perfume. That is it. Oh my gosh, ang lamig. My lashes needs updating, but it's okay. We can't do it today. Oh, I got press-on lashes pala. Look. So nice. These are Yes Style nails. Kaya ang tagal ko na itong na-order. No, not that one. Thank you. Go to tita. Go, tita's waiting for you. Go. Say, tita. I'm here. Hindi ko na talaga mahanap yung aking BLK blush. Asa na yun niya nilagay? O baka nandito lang, hindi ko lang makita. Wala talaga dito. Alright, that's it guys. Blush and... Buti yung dalawa tulog pa. Si Indy lang yung gising. So mabilis lang yan i-distract. Kasi ayoko ngang umiiyak pag umaalis ako. That's it. What's that? And I have been using this lately. Juicy Lasting Tint. Shade Bear Grape. That's it. We are done. That's it. Walang kahirap-hirap. Alright. And then now, I'll use my Dolce & Gabbana, the only one. Ah. And Dolce & Gabbana din yung nagustuhan ko na mini. Fairness sa Dolce & Gabbana. Ah. Good job. Alright, let's go. Naka-escape naman ako, guys. Ay, nako. Kids. Si Arlo okay lang. Nagising si Arlo. Biskot ng Arlo eh. Pero sinabi ko sa kanya, magpapaano lang ako. Doktor na naman. Sabi ni Arlo, nung mami ko sakitin. Nung mami ko eh. So okay lang siya. Si Indy yung nandun. Dinistract ko pa. Batang ba eh. Alright.
Hilak na.
Ready sis?
Ready.
Let's go.
Ready.
Do you wanna do the ready?
Luya didi ay.
Yeah.
Oh, dry.
Pero matulog na to siya dahil kay sayo kayong mata.
May no.
Sa'yo siya mata?
Yeah.
Kaya katugoy.
Ikaw? Dugay sad ko nakatug pero mga 2 something siguro na. 10:41. Oh, perfect.
Basta laag on time. Natulog ka te?
Yeah. Dito rat bang sa Benson. Dito na kami guys. Dito pala kami sa The Empress Restaurant. They open at 11. It's now 10:57. Kinuha namin syempre yung first booking. Ayan na, nagdatingan ng mga tao. Mainit ang panahon today. Ewan ko na lang talaga sa weather. May araw na ang lamig. Ngayon naman ang init. Naka-knitted kamis. Sa init kay ba? Kuan 20 degrees nya sunny. Tingnan nyo. So nandito yung restaurant, nandun yung Burnside, ayun. As in, harap na harap lang talaga. Tingnan yung Burnside. Dito lang talaga sa harap. Yeah, pwede tayo dumaan dito. Ay, di, uy, naka-gate man na. Atara, oh.
Dili ka this bridge.
Andyan. Di, pwede. Waagi ko sa bridge dyan. Hello. Under Razel for 3? Yep. That's me. Ifo? Yeah. Thank you. Dito na. So, ganito yung yamcha. May dadaan ng mga ganito. Di ko ganang ka chicken feet?
Yo.
Okay. Not yet. You said you have rice? Sticky rice? Yes. Okay, now that's
You don't
alright.
want?
Do you want some?
No. Sorry.
Yeah?
We'll
You
try
want
the sticky rice, yes. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks
Ano
very
ba kita sa mama?
much.
Lotus wrap rice.
Mo ba? Yeah, makauna ni mo.
Every time magtimbuhan, may maulin na yung gawin.
Ah, there you go. Thanks very much. Kanon sa siguro tani.
Ha?
Kanon sa tani. Puno na kay niya to. Kaunta.
Thank you.
Ah, thanks. Shumay, lami na ilang shumay.
Ano nga sa lotus leaf?
Dili ko eh. Ako lang ko on pa. Para mahatag na nato nilang pa natay space for more. O ito nga siguro ta. Kanina akan na tani. Thank you, Day. Unsa man ni?
Lotus.
Unsay sud?
Pork siguro.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks.
Nagkam ka sa leaf check.
Oh, that's nice.
Me?
Yeah, lami kayong rice. Rice pa lang ulam na.
Amo na po ba ito Bernadette? Thank you.
Yeah, that's really good. I like plain. Squid tentacles.
For the weight, I just checked and she wasn't steaming it yet, so I told her to put it on. Do you
Ah.
want it for like takeaway now, or
No, can we
it
cancel?
cancel
will only take like 5 or 10 minutes?
I'll just cancel it.
Yeah, they said that 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, that's because she didn't have a doctor.
Can we just cancel it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you. Kala, tulo na ka-waiter ang nag-check. Gara.
Lagot this ras.
Lagot na ako, guys. In-order ko yung lava bun, 11.26. Well, before pa niyan, kasi print nila 11.26. 11.55, wala pa din. Cancel na namin. Kasi hindi pa daw pina-steam. Kailan pa yung matatapos?
5 to 10 again.
Magbe-burn side pa kami, ha?
5 to 10 minutes again.
5 to 10 minutes again. Uy, meron ding isang customer na hindi din nila natanggap yung isang order nila. Sabi ni ate. Manon si ate. Kaya nga, check sila ng check sa amin. Are you waiting for anything? Sabi namin, yeah, 3 na yung nag-check. Sumbong ko. Yan, sinumbong ko sa inyo, guys. So excited pa naman ako sa lava bun. Wala ako nakain lava bun. Ha? Oh yeah, I'll forward. Ari na lang ka sa car seat, joke. Wala ra, uy. Ayaw ra, uy. I'll forward it. Okay ra? Okay. Ano kami guys? Tawid kami. Good parking. Lapit lang oh. Perfect.
Ano mo na yung uti mo sa mauling ko na yun yung sakyanan.
Lock na to. Let's go. Let's go guys. Shopping guys. No kids. Tapos wala na palang pera. Nasa Tommy kami guys. Tingnan nyo, naka-take a further 30 off. So may kinuha na kami ni Miss. Ito. Miss, tingnan mo to. Nice ang ano. Nice ang print nitong maroon. Tingnan mo yung maroon. Tingnan mo yung print. See? Ganda, di ba? Yeah. Nice. No. Tapos take a further 30 yan. Magkano yan? Dami na nating ano t-shirt. Di ba? Meron tayong itatry. Naka further 30 off. Try lang naman. Pero ayusin muna natin. Tumilagay muna tayo lip tint. Let's put some lip tint on. Hindi siya ganun ka-nice. Kunting galaw mo lang, umaangat siya dito. It's not flattering. Buti na lang. Ang ganda sana ng buttons, oh. Wala akong nagustuhan. Buti na lang. Yung pinaka-okay sa lahat is itong nasa harap actually. Pero, still, ano. Let's go. Here we go again. Zara. Ang ganda kasi yung jacket. Try natin. XS. Ikaw. Sige.
Ano small? Lain ako ah. Kaate nindot. Ano? Bagay niya. Huwag na siya. Huwag na swimmer shoulder. I think so.
Dito na kami sa Adidas. Iba na yung ano nila, oh, denim. Meron na naman sila. Ang ganda yung hardware, uy. Ang ganda ng kulay. Yung ganito yung akin na blue. Wala na sila nito na blue. Tingnan natin sa kids, be. Yan ka na?
Hindi ko ng height.
Yeah, nice na. Manapin natin sa kids. Hindi man pa kids. Kanim is nice food, oh.
Pink?
No, it's like dark brown and yeah, pink lines. Merong kids version nun, guys. Ang cute! Nice! Kasi na dakuan na kasya ni mo. Oh. May jeans din. Dito kami sa JB Hi-Fi. Ang ganda ng kulay ng camera niya, oh. Yung akin pangit na.
Diba?
Same lang. Chinik ko yung settings. Wala lang. Same lang. Wala na. Luma na talaga yung atin. Yun. Mas maganda yung kulay ng isa. Sana all. Kung saan-saan na lang kami pumapasok. Ang cute! Ang liliit! Oh my goodness. So cute, ha?
Palit ka ni libre na ni. Ano niya?
Oh, yan. Sa may ibutang ani. Pangon sa man eh.
Wala nga pang butang.
Na. Sa na ibutang.
Picnic luto.
Na, hindi ko magdaging honest picnic. Uy ka.
Moving lang natin.
Yeah, the recliner button's on the side.
Uwi na kami. Ano na? 2 p.m.? Oras na ba? Oh! Oh yeah, 2 pa. Sa ano ko, car ko 3. Inag ano na nga, daylight savings. Akong car 3, dere 4 na. 4? 2. Ganina 3 ang car, wala na siya tarong.
Oh, jadi
Ilog siya de. Surti ani ha? Moji pag surti
kita
ya.
di ay.
Yeah, kita pag ganina, surti pag ta. Come
Look
here,
at
come
I
here.
made it, Mama.
Wow, cool.
I made it all by myself.
Did you?
Yeah.
And what did you make,
And
Ate?
Mommy, these are the spikes.
Wow. You
Mommy,
painted.
these are the spikes.
Whoa.
That's all the spikes.
This is you painting? I love this color, Allah. What time did Indy sleep, babe?
I love you,
Oh,
Mommy.
yeah.
Show you
Okay.
that I made.
You make
Look the trucks.
So cool, Kuys. I love it, Kuya.
Oh, it's an
I
art
love
day
your
today.
painting,
I didn't do
Ate.
this.
Oh, wow.
Mommy,
Yeah? What are those?
Mommy, this can be you, and this can be me, and this can be Indy.
Oh, how about the rest of the family?
I got mad. I don't know. I have fun more Mother's Day.
Okay.
Too tired making something.
Too tiring?
I'm too tired of making my inside.
Wow. No one helped you?
No, on myself.
Wow. Amazing, Kuys.
Mommy, can you have something to eat?
What do you want to eat?
A Johnny.
A lolly.
I've had egg in the hole. I've
Ah.
had plenty of lollies as well.
Oh.
I've told him he's hungry, he can eat a banana.
Here, you can get your jumper.
Michelle,
Yeah.
that's my present.
I don't have a present.
Mommy.
No.
My jumper.
It's clothes, see?
We went
For
to,
Ate. Open it up,
Boxer
Ate. Show
and
us.
Buy clothes.
You like it, Ayla? It's not princess.
Mommy.
Cool. It says love, dance,
I'm becoming this.
smile, dance, love. The stuff that you like to write. Love, you like to write.
I
Love.
want that.
And heart, love heart, flowers, bows. It's nice,
But I
right?
don't know how to do a ball.
Oh, that's easy. I can teach you. This is not a toy. You've got enough winter stuff. Tita Michelle's joking,
I
Meg.
said we did not go to the toy shop.
Binili ko to para kay mama.
We only went to the
Maganda.
doctor.
Sana kasha.
Mom, why did you went to the doctor?
To get my bum checked again. My bum's got lots of problems lately. You know?
Was it actually her ball?
She's got smelly butt. That's the problem.
Tell me.
No, we didn't go to
What
the
boy?
doctors. We went to the shops.
What?
To get stuff for dinner. Saktura ni Day, kaya naapabi ako'y kuan.
Ha?
Naapa ko'y gagmay nga. Saktura ni. Yeah. May binili pala ako guys na jacket. Ito. Faux leather na jacket from Zara Teens. This is 12 to 13 na size. Ang ganda. Hindi siya mabigat. Kasi ano lang naman siya, faux leather. Pero maganda kasi yung mga faux leather sa Zara kasi hindi like super fake tingnan. So it's nice. As in, tamang-tama lang yung length. So again, kung ka-bill nyo ako, ka-height, ganito yung itsura niya. Ang ganda nito. Siyempre, not with this top. Pag simpulan lang yung top mo sa loob, it's very good. Meron akong mga leather jacket, yung mga in-order ko sa YesStyle, pero never ko pa silang nagamit kasi every time na ginagamit ko na sila, nalalakihan ako. Like, every time tinatry ko. So, i-declutter ko yung mga yun kasi parang more than a year na yung nandun pero hindi ko pa nagagamit. Sa kids kasi talaga tayo. Itong dalawa. Bati na naman sila. Kanina away ng away.
Here,
Teacher daw siya.
a lesson.
Wala niyo malakit Angie.
Who are these people?
A lesson. So, here a lesson. Put your hand up. Here. Leon.
Yung estudyante mo kain lang ng kain.
Here.
Alright, Ayla, come on.
And then transfer.
I'll
Here.
take out your braid, my love. Come on.
Okay, can you do it here?
Guys, update 4:59. Ito ito na yung nagawa ko. Nagpahinga si Ayla, napagod siya kakaupo. Meron pang 12 braids na tira. And mas maganda yung braid last time. Nakita na kasi yung iba na natanggal, di ba? Mas maganda yung braids last time. Pinapanood namin yung Bini sa Coachella. Live to eh. Pero inano ko na, ni-rewind ko na. Parang 2 days sila nag-perform. In fairness, 47.56. Kanina, talo kami eh. Parang 25-0. Ngayon lamang kami. Tawag ako ng tawag kay Ayla guys. Nandito pala sa labas, naglalaro. Tingnan niyo yung buhok niya. We're leading. Was it? Daddy said it was a good quarter. Nandun ako sa kabila eh. Nanood akong Bini. Ha?
We'll get 4 or 5 goals that quarter.
Really? Got Ayla's hair. Last year's braid was better. Yeah. Ang hirap tanggalin. Parang yung quality din nung ginamit nila na extension. Ang hirap tanggalin. It gets knotted really easily. So, ang tagal namin dun. Napagod na si Inday. Pinakuha ko ng scissors para makat ko yung nakakapagod to. Like, ito kasi, very, tawag dyan, grabe magbuhol.
This finger, so the smallest finger you have is your thumb. So that is the first finger.
Who was doing goals a lot, my love? Ah, that's good.
Who's winning?
We are winning at the moment. Hopefully we win. It's about time.
What? Oh my god! 8 and 7, I don't know. Is there only 2 players playing?
Go, Kuis. Good cake, Kuya. Do you want to play soccer? Yeah? I'll watch. Okay, wait. Sige, watching Alo. Whoa! Aww! Ayla, that's cute! I love you, Ayla. That's cute, baby.
I love you. 6 and 4. I have all of Indy. Love her. Right, smile.
Good job, baby. Nagamit na niya finally yung kanyang chalk. Go. Oh, yeah. Careful with the throw. Tingnan niyo to, ano nang pinagagawa. Watch out, miss. Alright, go.
Run, no model. Run.
Alright, go.
How about hopscotch on your
Whoa.
other foot now?
What?
Use the other foot now.
This one? Or that one?
Yeah, that one.
Good job, Ayla.
Too fast. Next one.
Magluluto na guys si Michelle ng dinner. I-cut ko to kasi medyo matagal na to dito. Ano to? Rock melon.
Are you choosing to go?
Ano yung tawag?
No, 88 kami. Naka-score to. Kami gamay. Kain na na! Niluto ni Inda yung inoki mushroom.
Not in you.
Yan yung adobo. Dried adobo. Kain. And leftover liver. Thank you, my love. Yung mga bata, chicken nuggets. Ayan, patapos na.
What is that?
Iyon, kumain yun ng rice na yun ay.
Mommy,
Ah.
what is that?
Right. That's liver. You want some?
Ang tawag dito, Day? Pinakupsan.
Pinakupsan eh.
baboy.
Pig in mangoes.
Tapos, Kinamot ko.
Say happy day!
Kain tayo. Happy day! Ba si Pon, okay? Buti pa lagi daw sa mutin. Full ba siya?
Guitar from Soccer Boy.
Say goodnight to tita. Say goodnight.
Wait, I'm gonna miss you.
Say miss you.
Yeah, okay, bye-bye, Day Day.
Aww. Give tita a big hug and a big kiss. Aww.
Big hug! Aw, bye-bye!
Oh, baby. Tita Rich? Bye-bye.
Tita Rich.
Oh, Tita Rich. Big hug, Tita Rich. And kiss. Bye. Oh.
Bye-bye!
Big hugs and kisses. Bye-bye.
Ba! Nawon mi ano yung pinakadakong ba?
Say see you soon. Say see you.
See ya.
Mana din siya.
Oh, bye-bye, JJ.
Say bye.
Bye dito Michelle na.
Boy, I'm gonna miss you, boy.
Hug, uy. Give her a hug.
Just a hug.
Give Tita Rich a hug. She's going to. Come on.
Going to
Quick. Come on, quick.
Go to your Tita Rich.
Tita Rich.
patuan.
In. Hello, come on.
Come, hug Tita Rich.
Come on, give her a hug, Alo. And what do you say to her? She gave you lots of presents. Hoy! Ay!
Ay, nakahag man yan.